Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare game crashing to desktop or crashing at a startup on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix is to make sure secure boot is enabled on your PC. You can go to this website. This is a official Microsoft website. I have provided this link in my video description, and here you can learn about the secure boot features, and here you will learn how to enable secure boot on your PC. Now if you are not a tech savvy person, then you can contact the customer support, or you can also call the support at your home and ask them to enable secure boot on your PC. Because if you do some mistakes over here, then your system may not boot or your PC may get damaged. So enable the secure boot on your PC very carefully, and then after enabling the secure boot, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to reduce your Steam friends list. This is a very easy solution. If you have more than 300 friends in the Steam, then reduce the friend list to less than 300. Though this is a weird fix, but it has worked for many players. And if you have more than 100 friends, then you can also reduce the friend list and then check. Fix 3 is to change your Steam username. This is again a strange fix, but this has also worked for many players. So open Steam, click on your name and then click on profile and click on edit profile and then change your profile name. And after changing your profile name, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare game and then select properties. Now go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files and let the verification to get complete, and after the 100% of the verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the Call of Duty Modern Warfare game and check. Fix 5 is to update your graphic card driver to the latest version. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website, and if you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and download and install the latest version, and then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after updating your Windows, just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Now, if none of these solutions work for you, then last solution is to simply uninstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare game from your PC. Then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Call of Duty Modern Warfare crashes to desktop, crashes startup problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.